Hey everybody, you're probably wondering why it's taking so long for me to get back to getting this wiggle wire track on the greenhouse. It's because it's basically for almost 2 months now been over 100 degrees during the day. And my cardiologist would not like me out here in that heat, after my quadruple bypass and all that junk. So I'm going to have to wait till it cools off. I'm going out here to the barn right now. I'm going to double check the size of the tires on the Cub Cadet mower we got. I'm going to have to keep that thing going for another couple of years. I want to buy a Husqvarna zero turn, like a 54 inch, but I can't afford it right now. So I got to keep this thing going. We've about put 900 million holes in these tires. You can see this was flat again. And of course I could pump it up, but I'm not going to. I just need to double check the size of these tires. And well, find out where it's at on there. Looks like it's down there on the bottom where I can't read. Let me see if I can see it on the other side. They're supposed to be 20 by 10 and an 8-inch rim. And looks like it says 28, 10. 20 times 8 times 10. I need to double check that because that would be like backwards. I don't know if I got a tape measure out here. Oh well, let me see. Double check that rim. See if it's a 10-inch or an 8-inch. That's a mess in here. Here's a tape measure. Like I said, haven't even been able to clean the barn up. It's been so hot. All right, let's see what we got here. That's an 8-inch. So it's, and this is 10 to the outside and the outside. The tires that I want with the tread on them are going to be 22 by 11 by 8. So they're going to be 2 inches bigger, which is only an inch higher on each side. So it looks like I got plenty of room here and there. I wouldn't have it if I had the back wheel on right there. I think it comes. I'd probably run into it, but I don't. And I'll definitely clear that one. So, yeah, I found some really nice ATV tires I can get for $112 for both and stuff. It's got so many plugs in it. All right, like I said, out there looking at the Cub Cadet, these are the tires that I'm looking on, putting on there and replacing, and not going back with what they call the turf savers. These are actually give you a little bit more grip. We're at a farm, I don't really care, but what I've heard is they say that these type of tires really don't tear up the yards as much as turf savers do. That's what they say anyway. But I don't really care out here on the farm. So this is it. I can get $112.50 for a set of two, free shipping. This is Libra Trailer Parts out of Tennessee. So I know if you're in Tennessee, they'll charge tax, but I popped them into the cart, told them I was not in Tennessee, and it took the tax away. So $112.50 shipped to the door. That's not bad. So the main thing I wanted to check out there was that this fit here, and the 22 and the 11, I think I can live with that on there. So that's basically it that we've got on that. Now the mower that I'm eventually going to look at trying to get is this. It's the Husqvarna Z254F. hopefully one day I can afford to buy one. If I buy this from Lowe's, I'll get my military discount, which will knock some off. Now, they also have and they got the special edition. I don't know what the difference is. It's like $200 cheaper. I have no clue what the difference is. They also have what's called a premium special edition. So I don't know what these are. It's probably going to be a couple of years before I can afford to buy one. And hopefully you're still allowed to buy gasoline lawnmowers in a couple of years. The way they're going, no telling. So anyway, that's about it. Just kind of want to touch base with you guys as to why I was not putting up videos about the greenhouse. It's just too hot out there. I can't do it. So there again, maybe October I can get out there. We'll just see. Doesn't look like it right now, though. All right. Appreciate everybody that watches my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing it. I'm eventually going to get some more videos going on out here. It's just been a little slow here lately. Anyway, thank y'all. See you later. Bye.